Guys, first of all, just look at the views on this channel. One single video has hit 247 million views. And yes, you heard that right. 247 million views on just one video. But the problem is, most people don't know how to create these videos. So don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this kind of videos. And the best part is using free tools. Okay, the first thing that you gotta do is open your ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs and write a floor transformation, okay? Transformation. And it's gonna just open up this GPT that somebody has designed. So let's just wait. Okay, this one is the one. I'm gonna also just provide all the links and everything in the description as well, so nothing to worry about. Okay, click on it. It will just open it. Click on the start chat. It is gonna just open up this thing here, and then you can click on the start. It has this button, and then it's gonna give us some of the ideas that you're gonna go with, or you can just also use your own idea. That's not a problem. So let's see. Say, okay, choose your room. So it's gonna give us 10 epic interior spaces ideas. So I'm gonna go with I think a kitchen is a good one. Let's go with the kitchen. Click on one and just hit enter. And for this one, it's going to provide you all of the prompts and everything, like for images, also the turning those images into the videos. Those prompts will also be given to you. So let's wait. Okay, we have got the prompts. Image 1 prompt is here, and then we can get image 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so on and so forth. But then now to generate an image, it depends on you where do you want to generate. But see, it's completely up to you which platform that you want to use, but point here is you have to use the Nano Banana Pro because it's the best one so far. And you can simply use Gemini's own Nano Banana Pro as well. And also you can use any platform like OpenArt, Kling, or anything, whichever you think is good for you. You can do that. Okay, you can even use a Google Whisk. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to be using the free pick because I have some credits in here. So I'm going to be using this one. Okay, so then let's just start. Let's just go ahead and copy this prompt, the first one, and hit this prompt in there and click on generate. But I'm going to keep the settings as 1K, and story format will be 9:16 ratio, and I only want to generate only one image. Okay, and let's go and generate. Okay, the first, let's see. So this is gonna take a little bit while because it's pro model, so it takes around like 30-60 seconds. So yeah, we gotta wait for this. Until then, I'm also gonna show you can use a Whisk, Google Whisk. Okay, you can use that model as well. Okay, by the way, we have already got the image. I'm gonna show that you as well. How do you use it? Click on enter tool and then hit copy this prompt and click on here and paste it. Set the settings 9:16 and click on generate. You can use this thing as well. It's not a problem, and this is completely free. Okay, let me show you, because some of you might say like we want the free version, so here it is. Same thing. So we have got like both things. We can use Google Whisk, we can use any platform. Yeah, that's it. So all right, so we are having this picture as the first frame. Okay, and then we're gonna be using the second prompt, which is second image prompt for this one. And let's go back to here and then drop this complete prompt in here as well. And this time we have to use this as a reference. So I'm gonna just drag and drop it here as a reference. What it does, it's gonna keep this entire thing same and replace it with some of the stuff with people that you have seen in the video. So let's go ahead and click on generate again. This time it is going to generate the same picture with different people like working in there. Okay, let's see. And then till then we'll have this image 3 prompt as well saved. Okay, and it's almost generating. I think it is also working a bit quick. Let's wait for this one. All right, so we have got the image. Click on it and here it is. It is the same thing. Just see, exact same thing with only people's and people in these buckets are added in this here. Okay, So we got this image as well. Let's just copy the third prompt and paste it in here, and then just remove this image and drag and drop this image as the reference image, because now we need the epoxy that you see in the videos on these, you know, on the floor, but with this image. Let's go and generate. All right, let's go. I think this is gonna turn very good because I have tested out with different models. So the Google Nano Banana Pro is generating crazy results and high quality results. All right, so perfect. We have got the floor like, with epoxy, and the renovation is almost like done with lights and everything. Perfect. Now the last prompt, we need the final image, turning this image into a real kitchen completely, right? So just delete this one and drag and drop this one, and then hit generate. Let's go. Fingers crossed. I think this is gonna turn out very good because I already have one of the images recently I just generated. This turned out to be very good, but let's wait for this one. I think this is gonna be also pretty good, I guess. Oh my god, this is looking amazing. Seriously, just check this out. This looks insane and I like it. Just see. We have some curtains, some half curtains and everything, that rolling curtains and everything. So the lights are also like replaced. It's insane. Okay, this is the final version of this kitchen, and let's go and now generate the videos for this. Okay, and for the videos we are going to be using a free version of Google Flow, and it's also free. I have a pro version, as already you guys may have the pro version of Google One's membership, because I think everybody has it now. So let's go ahead and click on new project, and here click on it, or you can use any different platform. You can use OpenArt, you can use Kling, it doesn't matter. This is only just for you guys to show you it can be free. So yeah, this is it. So click on the new project, and then you will be on this page, and then click here and just click on frames to video, and then we have like starting frame and ending frame. So we also have this steps to convert each image into the videos. For video 1 we need image 1 and image 2. Okay, so let's just copy the first prompt and go to the flow, paste in the prompt, and now here we need an image. But first we need to download all of these images. Okay, so let me just download this one, this one, this one, and that one. Perfect. Now going back to the flow, and I'm just gonna simply drag and drop this images and everything in there. Okay, this is the first image that I'm going to drop it here. Okay, here I'm gonna select the portrait, crop and save, and then I need the second image, which is gonna be this one. Same thing, crop an image. Let's just wait until they're uploaded. Okay, I think we need to select this one as the first image, and here we need to select the second image. Where is it? Okay, and this is the first image, and the second image is gonna be the people with the the image with the persons. So let's go ahead and click on generate. Here we can select the VO3 fast, because it also comes with the audio. You can go with the quality, but let's go with the fast. And yes, and it's gonna cost you like 20 credits, so that means you can generate 5 clips for free on a single email. Just go ahead and generate. And then we are also going to go ahead and just generate the second video. Well, I have just fast forwarded this, and let's see for the final results. Well, that's what we need, and you can see I'm kind of really blown away. I don't know that you guys have spotted this. I just want to show you guys, really. Just check this. There is a person walking in the reflection of the person. Just check it here. This one. It means that this guy was like is taking a video, and it's also coming in the reflection. That's the level of perfection from Google. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. Well, anyways, so this is about this, and let's go ahead and just merge these clips, and let's see how the final video is gonna turn out. all of the clips in here. So in our case, we have the 4 clips, and then let's go ahead and just place them one by one. This is going to be the first clip, and then we are going to be going with the second clip, which is going to be this one, and this is the third one, and that's the fourth one. Perfect. Now let's just check how it goes, and we might need to some adjustments to do it. Okay, and just delete this part, and it's perfect. Let's just go ahead and play this. Okay, let's go. So this turned out to be really great, and it's a 30-second clip, and that's what we need for the shorts. And I think if we are gonna just do this, start making videos, and our channel is gonna be monetized, because a lot of people have been doing it already. So it's all about like how you can do it, your creativity, your ideas and everything. So this was the way that you can just do it. Now the part here comes in how we can use this completely for free. You know, well, for that case, you cannot use it completely for free. If you really want to just make videos every single day, you have to just, you know, get the subscription or something, and then you can make these videos. Otherwise, if you're going to be using the free tools, you're going to be always, you know, wondering here and there, how do I get that email, how do I get this account? You have to, you know, keep on just making accounts and making new emails and everything. Well, that's gonna take a lot of time, and if you really are like serious about this, you can just simply you know, purchase a small membership, you know, with some of the few credits, and start making it. And yes, that was about it. And yeah, maybe you might be wondering, it has this you know, watermark. So what you can do is you can simply just go ahead and you know, just zoom in the video a little bit, and it's gone, just a little bit, and that's it. And after that, you just gonna hit export, and you're done with the video. And so for that thing, just if you have any questions, any confusions or something, I'll just leave a, you know, comment in the comment section. I'm going to be answering every single comment. And if you guys like the video, if you like the content, please drop a like and share. Also, just please subscribe, and also subscribe to the channel as well. And I will see you guys in the next one.